Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making apple oatmeal cookies. I know, we're headed into the fall season and apples are aplenty. So what else can you do with them? Well, there's a lot you can do with them. Apple pie, there's apple crumble. You could eat the apples by themselves. Lots of things to do with them. We're gonna make them into cookies. That's right. Chop up your apple and add it into the cookie mix, and we'll see how these turn out because I have never made this before. So we're gonna find out together what these really taste like and if they are worth the effort of chopping up your apple that way. Before we get started, I was inspired by this song. You are the apple of my eye, yeah, 'cause we're making apple cookies. Yes, we are gonna make your apple cookies. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, baking soda, salt. Whisk together. Add in your old-fashioned oats. Butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar. Beat until light and fluffy. 1 egg, vanilla extract. Mix until combined. Add the dry ingredients. I'm pre-mixing a little bit, otherwise that flour is gonna get all over the place. This at least moistens it a little bit before I'm gonna get that paddle back on it for just a little bit. Mix by hand or with a paddle gently until combined. Chopped apples. Fold in. Using 1.5 tablespoon scoop or something about this size, go ahead and scoop your cookies onto a cookie sheet. Into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until the tops of the cookies are set. They look a little golden on the edges and nice and set in the middle. Let's take them out. These look great. Let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes on the baking sheets, and then we'll move them to cool completely. Look at this apple oatmeal cookie. Baked perfectly. You can see in this piece, my apple chunks were quite big, so they are sticking out of the cookies, but that is still a great thing. I mean, this smells delicious. Apples, a little bit of nutmeg, cinnamon. Please, these are gonna be good. Let's break it open and take a look. Oh, so nice. Could see more apples. Okay, it's all in the taste, so let's give it a go. It's like an apple oatmeal crumble in a cookie, because you get those chunks of the apple which have softened up a bit but still have that true apple flavor. And then you get that oatmeal sugary flavor coming through with the cinnamon and the nutmeg. These are delicious. If you go apple picking this fall, you gotta make these. If I can make these apple oatmeal cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, go apple picking, and make a bunch of these cookies. You won't regret it. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.